Welcome to DIY Eliquid Recipes. I'm John and here with a new 3 flavors mix. So this is a chocolate caramel shortbread Eliquid recipe. Now making this recipe with only 3 flavors was a little challenging, so to get around that I had to use a lot of additional flavors as optional. In the end, this can be used as a base of an e-liquid, so as always, with all the 3 flavor mixes, feel free to add more flavors of your liking. And after this small intro, here is the recipe. The Capella New York Cheesecake is basically a creamy crust flavor, so here it is used for the shortbread base. As an alternative, you could also try 2% of New York Cheesecake from Flavora if you have that in your collection. The Flavor West Salted Caramel is a different style of caramel. It is a combo of a dark caramel mixed together with a semi-sweet butterscotch, and with the result being a very nice and rich caramel flavor that works very well together with the chocolate in this recipe. And last, there is the chocolate fudge brownie from Capella again, a very mild and deep tasting chocolate flavor. Unlike other chocolate concentrates that taste a little flat, this is a rich chocolate flavor with a mild taste that works great solo too. Here it is used only at 5% for a nice touch of chocolate and for a small boost to the shortcake. And now the additives. There is a sweetener, butter, and vanillin. I recommend using at least butter and sweetener, and the vanillin is not a deal breaker if you don't have it, but it definitely helps and you will even taste the difference. This is a very full tasting recipe. You will have a strong chocolate flavor with a caramel always in the background and the shortbread filling in for the base and blending all the flavors together. A very strong and pastry-like e-liquid that you will definitely enjoy if you like chocolate vapes. For steeping, it is recommended to let it steep for about 5 days with 10 days for the best taste. With this e-liquid, it's not so much about steeping, even though it is important, but the wait here is for all the flavors to blend and homogenize. They all have different viscosities and the extra time will help them blend even better. For nicotine, I recommend staying below 15 milligrams per milliliter since it will indeed change the taste in higher amounts. So this is the 10th installment of this series. Happy to be here for this, so here to another 10 more episodes for the future. Hope you like this video, and if you're celebrating, have a good Easter weekend. And I will see you next time with a new Q&A video.